Hey, it's Joe Fear from GetThriveCart.com. In this video, we're going to have a smackdown. Just kidding. It's we're actually going to be talking about how to use both ThriveCart and ClickFunnels together. Not separately, but they actually work perfectly together. And we've actually figured out a way to use them very easily together and actually increase conversions. So it's using both tools for the best of their qualities and the feature sets that you have available to you. So let's get into it right now. I'm going to show you exactly how we use these two things together and a couple options and templates you can use to make your life even easier so you can get this stuff done fast. All right, let's get into it. All right, so I just wanted to start this thing off and kind of show you why we think it's best to actually use both of these tools. So ThriveCart and ClickFunnels together. So when it comes to ClickFunnels, there is a ton of features. There are a ton of features, and we're not going to get into all of those in this video. What we're going to focus on is how you can create these really quick and really good looking, beautiful looking pages, sales pages, landing pages, and even pages around the actual checkout page, which we'll show you in a second here. How you can do all that in ClickFunnels. It's very simple. We're not going to get into the specifics, but that's what we're going to leverage ClickFunnels for the most. And then we're also going to get into how you can use ThriveCart to increase your conversions and also how to sync these two together really quickly. So the beauty is that both of these tools are super fast for the setup, for all that tech to actually get up and get your sales pages launched so you can start making money quickly. And then also you're using the best of both of these tools. Again, ClickFunnels has a ton of features and they are amazing. We're focusing on the page building aspect of them. And then with ThriveCart, we're going to show you how to really get your checkout pages up and live quickly and how to get the most conversions out of that when you're using both these tools together. What we're going to do is really focus on the funnels that you can create with ThriveCart and ClickFunnels when you're using these two things together. And when you're looking at a funnel at a very, very basic level, we're looking at a sales page, we're looking at a checkout page, and then a thank you page for folks to see after they purchase. So when it comes to the actual sales page side of things, we have a couple of options, and I'm going to line out one of these options, kind of the quicker option in this video, but I'm going to show you both these options so you have flexibility. So when you're using ClickFunnels, you might be a customer of ClickFunnels already, and and you might be wondering, okay, what are my checkout options? How do I actually get this stuff up and live quickly? So when we're talking about the sales page, we have an option to actually use the ClickFunnels pages, which we'll show you how to do a little bit. And then we also have this other option, and this is a template that we've actually created that we will give to you for free. And we'll explain how to actually get that template later in this video. And we're calling that the one-page funnel template. So I'm going to show you both of these options here. And then after that sales page, so when you've built this, then you have to think about, okay, well, we need to collect the payment. So on this first page, this is typically where you're selling the product with a video, bullets, benefits, call to actions, guarantees, all that fun stuff over here. Then we take them over to a checkout page, and we have an option to create a kind of a standalone checkout page inside of ThriveCart. And then we also have, again, this one-page funnel concept, which I'm going to dig into. And then when you move to the right on the thank you page, so this is the thank you after someone purchases your product or service, you have ThriveCart's standard thank you page, success page, and that's actually a template built into ThriveCart, which is really nice. You don't really have to modify or create anything. You can if you wish to. And you can have a custom page, which you can create in ClickFunnels. So we're actually not going to cover the thank you page stuff in this video. That's more or less kind of basic, but just so you know, all of your steps are covered when you're using both of these tools, and we're actually going to show you how to combine them to get the best amount of conversions, the highest conversions, when you're using both ClickFunnels and ThriveCart together. So in this video, I want to start with looking at the sales page options that you have in front of you. So when we're breaking out both of these, we have the options to use the ClickFunnels style pages for sales pages, or this concept we were talking about, this one-page funnel concept, which will actually speed things up quite a bit. So if we're looking on the left side over here, this is actually an example of a page we made in ClickFunnels to promote a product of ours, a traffic course. And you can see this is a kind of one of those templates that are just built inside of ClickFunnels. We actually used an existing template and modified it as we needed. And then over here on the right-hand side, what we did is we actually created our own template, and this combines a lot of stuff onto one page. Now, from this screenshot, it doesn't look a lot, really much different other than the design and the offer is slightly different, but you'll see on the next page, it changes slightly. So what I'm gonna do is really quick show you these pages in action. So you can see this is that first page that we made in ClickFunnels. And it's a standard kind of sales page with all the bullets and benefits and buy buttons and all that stuff. And then, you get down here and you click the button and then it takes you to a ThriveCart checkout page. Super cool, super lean. And you can see, we made this in ClickFunnels quickly and it directs with a button click over. Now the other option is this one-page checkout template that was also made in ClickFunnels. And, similar thing, there's a lot of sales kind of elements here, testimonials, there's a sales video on top, and a button that actually links to a checkout form right down here on the bottom. And this is actually embedded right here inside the page using a ClickFunnels template. So the beauty here is that everything now is on one page, and we've actually seen the sales conversions increase because everything's just very condensed and it's simplified, yet it's still highlighting a lot of the same stuff. So now if we go back to the slides, you'll see, and I'll crank these back open, those are the two options we have. So when you're thinking about when you're building something out in ClickFunnels and using ThriveCart, you have the option to kind of do this longer form or a kind of separated sales funnel, more or less, where it involves a page and it involves a button click on that call to action button. Whereas on the right hand side over here, the one page funnel, this is another option where you have a lot of the sales elements, but when you actually click this button, it takes you to an embedded checkout page. Kind of cool. We've seen sales increase much more using this one-page funnel, and it's actually a template we'll give you. Again, I'll let you know how to get that in a minute here. So when we're going to the second stage, we just talked about this kind of first of three phases. Now we're talking about the checkout page, and we kind of already alluded to that. These are your two options when it comes to checkout pages. So if you wanted to go kind of that first approach, going with the standard sales page like we were showing over here, and then we have a link over that basically is a button click, and then you send them over to this big long checkout page. This is really cool, and this is all done in ThriveCart. You can see it gives all the options, testimonials, bullets, benefits, coupon codes, anything that you want to add, you can actually put it right inside of here, even different pricing options. So that's really cool. It works really well with ClickFunnels. And again, that's a link that basically the way you integrate those two is that you link this page to your ClickFunnels page. Whereas on the other end, you have the option to use this template that we have for you and this is basically a scroll down version of the page we were just showing. It's actually the bottom of this page. So it's the one page funnel. And you can see everything is embedded in here. So this little form right here, it's actually just this box right below this text. This is just a little embed, an HTML embed form that you can get from ThriveCart, and then you embed it right inside of your ClickFunnels page. Now, how freaking cool is that? Because if you look at it, you're actually able to design all sorts of different things around your actual checkout form. So as opposed to this over here, which you can definitely modify a lot of your design, you can't really create a full experience like you are right over here with this one-page funnel concept that we have in the template that we have available for you. So just keep it in mind when you're looking at your checkout options, you also have a variety of options. We choose this one over the one on the left, but they can definitely be used for different scenarios. And now just to wrap it all up with the thank you page. So now imagine someone's went from the sales page option, either you're using the ClickFunnels sales page or the one page funnel template. And now they're over to the checkout page. Either we have that ThriveCart standalone checkout form, or you have the one-page funnel with the embedded checkout form on the same page. So these pages are pretty much the same thing. Now you have that thank you page. We're not going to dig into that, but we're talking about you have a success page, a thank you page. It's actually a template inside of ThriveCart, or you can make your own custom page inside of ClickFunnels if you wish to do that. It's a little bit more work. It's not necessary, but you can use that for upsell pages or downsell pages or just a thank you page inside of ThriveCart. There are some other videos on that regarding how to do that. We're not going to dig into that one here, but just know that you have the flexibility using ClickFunnels or the pre-templatized ThriveCart pages that they give you. So that is everything in a nutshell right there. What I'm going to do is actually dig into this one-page funnel concept that we have right over here. So I'm actually going to show you how you can then take a template just like this one, very similar to this one, and actually modify it using ClickFunnels. So let's get over there now, and what we're going to do is go over here. So we have ClickFunnels, and essentially what you'll do is modify a template that we give you. So if you purchase ThriveCart through our link, we actually give you this template in the bonus section right when you sign up. And when you sign up for ThriveCart through us, you actually get access to all these different bonuses that we have. So it's quite a bit. But you'll see that we actually have this thing called the one-page funnel, and we have it for a variety of different tools, page making tools. But the ClickFunnels one is right over here. It's very simple, and there's a whole walkthrough there. But you can see right down here, there's actually a link that gives you this template, so you'll get immediate access to that. But what I'm going to do is show you how to actually do this right now. So let's assume that you do have this template and it's already loaded inside of your ClickFunnels page. And again, you can use this for a page of your own too. So if you wanted to make your own, you are definitely welcome to inside of ClickFunnels. You don't have to use our template. We just have it made already for you. So we're just trying to make it easy where you can literally swipe out the copy on this page, the video code, the embed buttons, the testimonials, all that stuff. I'm going to show you that right now. So the way you do that is if you have this thing loaded, a page ready inside of ClickFunnels, you just want to edit the page. And then once this thing loads up, you can see where all of these different boxes, you can easily swap out anything you need. So like I was saying, you can modify the text up here, the video, you can actually just swap out the link on the right-hand side or the embed URL. And then this little button actually links to the form on the bottom. So just know that what I would do is definitely change out all this stuff, because selling this product, with these testimonials doesn't make sense for you, but it's all easy to swap out. And know that you can even add in some extra boxes. So maybe if you want some bullet points in here and stuff. But the key thing that we're looking at is this box right here. So this custom JavaScript/HTML box in the code editor. So you can see we actually have our form already inside of here, and we want to change that out and show you how you can put your own in there. So what you want to do is when you're in ThriveCart, when you have your account, we're going to go over to our products tab, and we're using this product as an example. So if we just go to the URL right now, we're actually going to see what the checkout page currently looks like. And it's just it's kind of a simple page right here. You can see all the information on top, payment information. We have some product information and some testimonials. Now, what we want to do is sync this up so we can get this code, so we can actually embed this thing right here on the page. So the way we want to do that is we can take this existing product and just modify the checkout design. So we want to edit and go out to the checkout tab on top, and then click this. You can see right now we have the tall one-step checkout option selected. What we want to do is go to the embeddable checkout, click that, and click save and get URL. And now what we're going to see is this code right here. You can see there's other options. This code will actually allow you to embed it right onto the page, which is what we want. But you can see, just know that there are some other options. You can embed it with a button or with an image if you want to upload that right here inside of ThriveCart. But what we're going to do is take this embed code, copy it. Then we're going to go over to ThriveCart, we're back in ClickFunnels. You can see this is where we edit the page. scroll down to where you see custom JavaScript and HTML. Click Open Code Editor, and we want to highlight everything, delete it, right click and paste. And now you have your code right inside of here. So we want to hit the X, hit the save button on top right, and now we should pretty much be good to go, other than, of course, modifying all the copy and stuff. But this form should be changed. So let's just go to preview just to see the page. I'm going to pause that video. And now scrolling down, you could see this actually got changed out. So we can confirm that by looking at this product name, so the Content Business Machine $29 notes. And if we go back over here, this was actually the original checkout form, but you can see the page, and the actual product was this, Content Business Machine $29, and it's the notes. So what we just did is we modified this template super quick. All we did is just changed out this whole bottom part here. And you can see it actually added in these testimonials. You do have the option to remove those. You can modify this page as you need, but no need to do that right here in the video. Just know that all it took was just editing that one box, and then boom, now we have a whole one-page funnel that's actually leveraging ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels made this entire page, but then ThriveCart is synced up right here perfectly. Now, of course, there's a lot of little design things you could do. You can build this as big or as slim as you wish, but that's exactly how you would combine both of these things to use ThriveCart and ClickFunnels together. So again, that's kind of what we're looking at. This whole page here is we took the sales page and worked it down through this whole thing. So you basically saw me modify the one-page funnel on both the sales page and the checkout portions. And then right after that, we would just make sure that we have our thank you page working inside of ThriveCart. So like I was saying already in the video, if you want to get this template, we call it the one-page funnel. It's what we've been using for all of our products, and in any of these new offers that we just want to get to market quickly. What we're using is a combination of ClickFunnels and then also ThriveCart for that embeddable checkout page. And we want to give you that template for absolutely free if you get ThriveCart through our link at getthrivecart.com. And if you have already got ThriveCart through us, just send us a message if you don't have the actual template yet or don't have access to all those bonuses. We'll hook you up. But it's very simple. Just go to getthrivecart.com. So you're going to get all these different bonuses. You can see the one-page funnel bonuses right here. So right when you get in there, just click on the ClickFunnels actual icon. But you can see there is a lot more that you get, a lot of hacks and tips and templates and different things to actually get you up and running very fast. So just make sure to go to getthrivecart.com, go get that bonus right when you sign up for ThriveCart. And there's a whole bunch of other tutorials over there as well. And we're easy to get a hold of. If you have any questions, just reach out to us. So go to getthrivecart.com and hope to see you inside there. Thanks a lot for watching.